Welcome! So glad you're here. As always, be the change you wish to see in the world. Okay, this is the formality. And we're back to the question. And the question is, based on a hypo, links will be below. This is the question you're going to answer. And this is the hypo. And let's see if we can get this over a little more. So, this is question 29. And you can get the link to the 100 MBE questions for 1L criminal and that below. So anyway, Al arranged with Bob to have Bob kill Vic by shooting him. Bob in turn paid Tom to do the killing. Tom went to Vic's home late one evening. Vic had gone to bed and had left his bedroom window open. Tom found a long stick and set fire to the end of it. He inserted the stick through the open bedroom window, and he started a smoldering fire in the covering on Vic's bed. Vic died of smoke inhalation, but the fire was discovered and extinguished by Vic's son. The only damage to the home was smoke discoloration to the walls next to the bed. Okay, so the question is Tom guilty of arson of Vic's house? Now, pause it if you don't want me reading through and then giving the answer. Okay? I'm going to start reading through. Okay, A is yes, because there was smoke damage to the walls. B is because a burning occurred in the commission of an inherently dangerous felony. Or C, no, because arson is a specific intent crime. Or no, because there was no burning of any part of the house. Now you're to pick the best answer. And pay close attention to these modifiers. Okay? The correct answer is no, because there was no burning of any part of the house. Now, I am going to explain a little bit about this by looking at my notes. And, oh, wait a minute here. Did I? But I went to, here it is. I didn't put it in. Okay, I looked at different arson sources, and I found that Wiki was the most straightforward, least advertising site. And basically, arson is a crime. Now, there's the modern law and the common law, right? So when you're answering your MBEs, do not answer common law or old traditional law. Answer the modern law or the generally accepted, the generally accepted law nowadays. Because if you answered according to common law, it would be the malicious burning of the dwelling of another. Okay? And then you'd have to satisfy all these elements. And so when you're looking at the general law, arson is a crime of intentionally, deliberately, and maliciously setting fire to buildings, wild land areas, abandoned homes, vehicles, or other property with the intent to cause damage. It may be distinguished from other causes such as spontaneous combustion, accidental fires, like smoking in the bed, natural wildfires. Arson often involves someone deliberately burning their own property or having someone else do it to collect the insurance. So, as you can see, there's a more well-defined definition of arson here. Now, because it really didn't burn and it just smoldered, if you look at the hypo, you can see that it says that the fire, he put the stick through the open window and it was on fire, but he started a smoldering fire in the covering on Vic's bed. So he wasn't burning the building. He got a smoldering fire in the bed. And he just got the blankets a little bit burned, but the smoke is what's really killed him. And as soon as the fire was discovered, it was extinguished by his son, but it was too late. There was smoke all in the room. So even though it said the damage to the home was smoke discoloration on the walls next to the bed. So the home was not burned. It just had smoke damage. So you can see how it says yes because there was smoke damage. No, smoke damage doesn't count as burning it down. Okay, so I hope that's clear for you. Let me stick this in here. And I will move on to the next question. And if you have any questions, you can kind of look over that site. I think this pretty well explains it. Thanks. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care.